Hello friends, this is the first video in a series of videos which we are planning for introduction of Microsystems module which is implemented in NISA. NISA is a FEM software and a product of CSIL company. The Microsystems module is developed in Computational Nano Engineering Group or CONE Group in Indian Institute of Science or IISc, Bangalore. In this first video, we will introduce how to install Microsystems module in NISA. Before we begin installation of Microsystems module, we should install NISA, which is obtained through source like DVD, CD or whatever provided by CSIL company. Definitely one needs to have valid license for it. After installation, you will see this is an application launcher of NISA. The Microsystem module is implemented within Display 4, which is a GUI of NISA for pre and post processing and analysis purpose. So Microsystem module is implemented within this GUI. If we open now, so as I have already implemented, so I'm seeing one can see that this is listed in menu bar, but before the installation of Microsystem you will have the menu bar without Microsystems. So how to install Microsystems module? So locate the directory from the source provided for the Microsystems. So Microsystems 1.1 refers to the version which is first version for Microsystems module. Open it and copy this folder Microsystems into the main directory NISA v17 this is the path. See program files NISA version 17. As I have already installed, so and you can see the directory here. So just paste it and just overwriting all the files. So once you paste it, you will see this Microsystems directory. Open the directory and run this batch file installer. Once you run that file, you will see that some of the files are copied into appropriate locations, some folders are created, and you will see that installation complete message. So we are done. Just to check that what we have created, we have to check into the working directory, which is the NISA run directory located in C drive. So you can see the folder structure. This is Microsystems, error files, results, status. So it has already created the folders and we are done with the installation. To check that whether the Microsystem is installed or not, just open this Display 4. So after installation, you will see the Microsystems listed in the menu bar of NISA. So this Display 4 of NISA. So these are the different types of analysis. So we are done with the first video of installation of Microsystems module in NISA. In the subsequent videos, we are planning to introduce how to use different modules which are implemented under Microsystem: structural, electrostatic, coupled structure, electrostatic, and so on. If one wants to refer the written instruction related to installation, one can open the directory in Microsystems and there is a PDF file, Microsystems installation, which also discusses the same procedure which I have just outlined it. Thank you for watching the first video.